right, guys, so on this one, what you're gonna see me do is we're gonna be treading water. I'm gonna get my mask on really quick. So I'm gonna pull my ears down too. It's really cold in Tucson right now. This water is like freezing. Just get my mask on. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and come on out here. We're just gonna tread. We're gonna pull our arms in front like we're doing the breaststroke, and our legs are gonna do an egg beater or a whip kick. Whatever sounds better. So pull, whip, pull, whip, pull, whip. We're gonna do about 10 more. Level 1 and 2. You can do this with a weight belt, or you can do it with a noodle underneath you, since it's a little bit more advanced. Whew. Okay, now we're gonna kick for 10. Now we're gonna pull forward and back, forward. Take your time. So your arm is coming like this, and then like this. At the same time, and push, go. Try to get those elbows up. Now we're gonna run. Your heart rate's gonna be pretty high because this clothing that I'm wearing is super heavy. Beautiful. That's one round. So you can see, in 2 minutes and 51 seconds, you can see how that's getting my heart rate up. So if you did that 5 times, you get an explosive cardiorespiratory workout. Really good workout. So you guys remember, like and subscribe, hit that button right down there, and that will alert you. I post every day, either I'm vlogging, cooking, shopping, doing pool work, doing workouts. Let me know what you guys are looking for. Let me know what your injury is. Let me know what surgery you're about ready to do, so I can dedicate. I'll call you out. I'll name a video just for you. Anyway, I love you guys. Remember to stand in your light, to stand in your truth, and above all else, what? Let's say it together. 1, 2, 3. We are Aqua Warriors. All right, love you guys. Bye.